If I had to scale to 100K funding, this is exactly what I would do. Coming from a six-figure funded trader across multiple prop firms, what I would definitely not do to scale to 100K is get one 100K challenge, try to pass it, and from 500 make 5K. But let's be honest, you already know this, otherwise you wouldn't be watching this video. This is definitely not the way to do it. You must think of prop firms like it is a game, like it is a business. And if someone asks you if you're profitable or not, you can't just say, I guess so. You must know if you are or if you aren't. And this is also going to be better for your pockets, because now we're going to know what we're doing and what can we expect. Okay, so your win rate plus risk reward is going to determine your profitability. Of course, you must know this. For me, it is 40% win rate coupled with 3R. All right. If you're laughing at 40% win rates, go back to Pips funding, baby Pips baby funding, whatever that is, baby Pips, whatever. Like, go back to the basics, nigga. Okay. Risk per trade, pass in one trade. It's gonna be the best case scenario. We're not gonna be taking too long on the challenges. Your trading frequency to know how fast can we pass in one single trade. All right. If you're getting 1 to 3 high class setups every single week, and most of the times there is a winner inside of this, right? This means we can actually pass one challenge per week, right? But keep it on a conservative. I tend to do 2 funded challenges per month. Every single month, I pass 2. And I've been doing that consistently for the last 6 months. Passing rate. If you got previous data that you can check, how many challenges you bought, how many of those have you passed, and you can get the help of AI to do this. I normally have a 75% passing rate because I still blow challenges and I don't care. I would rather make the most amount of money possible with having some challenges blown than be the guy that says, oh, I never blew a prop from challenges. Okay, sure, but you're minus 9.2% on your challenge. Try to save it. Don't try to have perfect results, guys. Try to put the odds in your favor. And you're gonna allocate a monthly budget for this because we want to scale. Whether it be every single month you put 200 to 400, this is what I was doing, into new prop firm challenges. And if you don't have the budget, all right, do this for your own situation, okay? Whether it be $50, $100 even. But if you don't got the money, just get a job. Seriously, just get a job. You can't scale with peanuts. Now, before I show you the plan, let's get a quick word from today's sponsor. This video is brought to you by NYS, a prop firm that has been getting a lot of attention recently. And what I like about them is how clean and simple they make everything. There's no confusion with the names. It's just instant, one-step or two-step account. The accounts range from $5,000 to $150,000 with the standard targets, 8% on phase 1, 5% on phase 2, all transparently shown. But here's what separates them from every prop firm. They have a NYS Academy filled with trading courses, a smart trading journal where you can track your trades, classify them, which will allow you to master your edge and become an overall better trader, and the NYS GPT. Not just a support bot, but something you can ask anything about trading. The payouts are guaranteed in less than 48 hours. They've got a bi-weekly cycle for the first payout, and after that, payouts can be requested every week. They start at 80% profit split. After 3 payouts, it goes up to 90%, and once you prove yourself to be profitable, they give you 100% profit split and a chance to get a spot at their elite desk and manage up to $2 million. This discount of 30% off plus free reset is expiring soon, but NYS is always running major deals, so check the link in the description to see what's available for you. But once you finally understand your data, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna get 4 50Ks, not one 100K. You're gonna get 4 50Ks, and you're gonna tell me, well, that's 200K in challenges. I only need 100K. Yes, because you're not going to pass every single challenge. Like I said, put the odds in your favor. It's all about money in, money out, okay? Take risks. If you knew that to scale to 100K, you only need a 100K challenge, you wouldn't be watching this video again, okay? So it takes blown challenges to get funded accounts. That could be a bar, but it's going to compile to about $900. And this was only $500. Yes. But in here, we're actually gonna guarantee some results even if you are unprofitable, okay? And this is combining the Pro plan on Funding Pips Pro, which is 12% total in comparison to the 13% here, which is 10 plus 5, or no, sorry, 8 plus 5. Or if you want to go for the phase 1 at 10%, that it's 15, which is even more. So because of being 6% at each phase, this works perfect for me since I want to be aggressive on challenges and trade 2% per risk. And because I have 3R risk to reward, that means 3R times 2% risk equals 6%. And if the account is fresh, that means I pause it in one single trade. Now you might ask, what if you lose the trade and the account goes to drawdown? Well, I can most of the times also search for a 4R if needed. All right. And I have other methods to, in the same position that I would do 3R, 4R, get 6R, for example, just through scaling methods. All right. And even to keep it conservative, let's say your passing rate is 50%. Let's say out of 2 challenges that you buy, you always can at least pass 1. Okay. And if your passing rate is even less, like 25%, well, make sure you adjust these metrics. Make sure you get more challenges. Make sure it's actually worth it, because you're going to pay the price for them. And by having a 50% passing rate, that means out of the 200K challenges you got, you're going to be funded with at least 100K, with at least 2 of them. And then your average reward will be this times 2. All right, it's just a speculation. But one important thing to keep in mind is that you are not going to copy trade all of the accounts at once. Because otherwise, again, instead of doing all of this, you would just get this bitch. Okay? You would just get one single account. But that's not the best thing to do. Because for one, too expensive up front, too much risk. And second, you're not actually that profitable. Most of you guys, okay? You can become, but you're probably not that profitable and you're probably not willing to take the slow route. So you can't necessarily go heavy on risk. And in here, you're getting smaller challenges. You can go heavy on risk. You're paying a smaller amount. All right. You feel more comfortable within your psychology. And if you blow one, you don't mind because you got others on the go. So I'm not going to talk too much about my rotation method, but essentially you take one trade on one account. Your second trade, you take it on another account. Your third trade, you take it on another account. Your fourth trade, you take it on another account. And as soon as you have the 5th trade, you go back to the first account. It's something as simple as that. And that is how I've managed to get the max allocation on Funding Pips, for example. Whereas I've been just allocating monthly budget of $400 every single month, getting about 2 new challenges. And like I've told you, every single month I pass at least 2 new funded. Okay? You start accumulating. It gets to the point where you can't even get more challenges because you have so many, and then you're sure to start getting some results. If you want to check the 30-day profitable challenge, just text free to the Telegram down below. You'll get my daily analysis every single day, what I'm seeing on charts, even my live trades, even the trading course on my full strategy. You get to network with a bunch of traders that are serious, and even my students that are 6-figure funded, and even hop on group calls with us every single week. If that sounds good to you, just check the link in the description, and I'll see you boys on the next video.